Privacy is power. People cannot ruin what they don't know. If you keep things secret from many people, they will not know. And they will only have the assumption of what could be taking place. But if you expose what you do to people, then they will have the clear picture of what is going on, and they will attack your property. If you don't keep secret or make things private to you, it's most likely to fail. That's why secret is very important in a love relationship, in a business, politics, or whatsoever thing that you do in life. You need to keep privacy and top privacy, because the moment the heart of your enterprise, the heart of your endeavor, the heart of your relationship is leaked out, it can easily be destroyed. So privacy is power, because human beings cannot attack what they don't know.